Hi, let's see how we can create and use signature in Gmail. So I go to the settings button and then see all settings. From the tab general, you scroll down to the signature section. Here, no signatures. So I create one, name, English, text, best regards, Navid, formatting the text, or if I want I can insert an image, a logo, business card, or any other image, a new one, so and then save changes. And now simply we just can create new message, go here, insert signature, and select the signature that we want to insert to the email, or no signature. I can select manage signatures here and go directly to the settings and change the name of the signature or the text, or even delete or add a new one, and then save. So to have the updated list, I close and open again and see there is no Swedish. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye.